Perfectly designed, this immaculately maintained home is ideally situated in a private cul-de-sac, just steps from the 2023 Street of Dreams. Backing to a protected wetland and close to parks, it's a coveted Sherwood location. From the grand open entrance, discover masterful craftsmanship, from the weathered ash oak hardwood floors to the high ceilings. A multi-slide door opens to the expansive Trex deck, a serene setting for magical evenings. The kitchen features a large white Carrara marble island with a prep sink, stainless steel high-end appliances, and a walk-in pantry. Unwind on the deck, overlooking the lush landscaping, or enjoy year-round entertaining. Gorgeous wainscoting frames the formal dining room. From the main-level primary suite, head to your private deck. Enjoy heated floors in the luxurious ensuite bath, complete with a huge walk-in closet with organizers. Double doors open to the office with built-ins. Downstairs, gather in the spacious family or entertaining room. Repurposed barnwood doors open to the game room, one that could be converted to a wine cellar. You'll find 3 additional bedrooms and elegant baths. The second laundry room leads to unfinished space of nearly 540 square feet with an exterior entrance to the backyard and water hookups, originally designed for an in-house dog washing station. Huge potential to convert to another separate living space, and a built-in fire pit ready for making s'mores or gazing at the stars. Other features include holiday lighting outlets in all the right places, inside and out. No detail was overlooked, including ample storage and an oversized 3-car garage with a Tesla charger. Where luxury meets function, an incredible home in a coveted neighborhood. It's all here on Ironwood Lane and ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.